Alright everyone, this is the latest video for GameWatcher, little tutorial how to use it. So once you get the link to the zip file, you download it, and this is what you'll see. You'll see the exe file. It does not need to be installed. It is a standalone exe file, and you'll see the magic chain folder that can go along with it. GameWatcher uses the latest .NET 4.5, so make sure you have your .NET installed and updated. Magic Chain comes with the program, the directions on how to use it. Make sure you follow this exactly. And then it comes with the different versions that are going to be allowed, which is version 3. And so we went ahead and made it easy here to put the, if you're using XP, you have blue, red, and green, as well as the Windows 7, Windows 8 versions that are there. That don't have the XP in the file name. And you can delete what you don't want to use or what you need to use. So extract it to a folder, extract it to anywhere else. Anyway, once you do it and you right click and create your shortcut on your desktop, go to your shortcut and go to properties and go to compatibility and click run this as an administrator. Press OK. Once you're done, go to whatever launches your tribes.exe properties, and go to compatibility and click disable desktop composition. Yes, this will change your Windows to a less visibly pleasant, I should say, option than some people like, but it also conserves on resources. This is actually something that I believe was already checked for me because I adjust mine for best performance anyway, not for best visual performance. So once you're done with that, go to GameWatcher. Start it up, and you're going to see the tabs that were added. So gamer is still the same. This would be the person who gets the code. Referee is someone who sets the code, so you set your code. Packaging would be, you can open the folder now. So if I click open, it's going to open where the folder will be created based off of the referee code. You can now pack it into a zip file, which I'll show you. Settings now. This is where you put your launcher for tribes. So right click your shortcut, go to properties, and then go to your target here, and only copy, ignore game equals 200, product equals 10, and only copy from quote to quote in between and paste it here. And that is exactly what we have. No spaces before, no spaces after. Put in your gamer tag, make sure randomize is checked, and click save. It should save your settings. The next one is contact. This is if you want to contact me. No, this is not a link. I did not want this program to go out, do anything internet-wise without anyone's permission. So everything is done locally here, and then you will physically do it yourself. So how this works is, let's say I'm the referee. I create a password. I'm going to use password, and I generate it. For me, it automatically populates this, but for everyone else it won't, so you can copy. And let's say you are going to paste it in Mumble or whatever you're going to paste. You just paste it in there. Everyone else will copy it and paste it into, when you copy it from here, or Mumble or wherever, you just paste it in there, which, of course, it's there. If I delete it, it'll still paste it. Well, there it goes. Luckily for the person who creates it, it automatically goes in both. Once you get the code, everyone's happy, you click start. Do not open tribes without GameWatcher. Make sure GameWatcher starts it. Let's go ahead and open up the magic chain just so people can see this. Let's go ahead and click play. And this should open up once you're able to, and it should show up pretty soon. You're going to log in here, you can do your thing. Let's go ahead and inject the latest version, red version 3. Switch back, and there it goes. Anyway, log in, Contagion or whoever, blah, 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 submit, log in, play your game, have a wonderful time, everything's wonderful, everything's great, and then exit the game. When you exit the game, make sure you stop GameWatcher. Now you can open, under packaging, you can open the folder. There's your folder, and it will show you all the pictures of everything. As you can tell, it watermarks, I should say. It puts markings in here to verify. Of course, you'll have a whole bunch more pictures depending on. And it creates its 3 text files, which are encrypted, which will be sent to the referee. And the easiest thing to do is just click packet. File created. That may take a minute depending on how many pictures and how long. There you go. Now, the easiest thing to do is to jump into your email program and whoever the person is and email it to them. Depending on how big this gets, we might have to only ask for certain pictures, or you might have to put in a couple others, but that's something we're working on. But basically, it packs it for you. You're done. If you want to keep it and get rid of this, then you can delete folder, and it's gone. Keep it for archiving, however you want to do it. And that's pretty much it. So then the referee, on the other hand, without closing it down, will review this. So I'm actually going to just extract it here again. Okay, let me go to review. And I do have a couple of things enabled here just for testing. So, of course, anyone using these would get in trouble. But you would go to your D and decrypt it, and it's accepted. It says that I injected red version 3. It was detected, and it's accepted. We're good. You don't have to close that down. You can just click browse again. Let's go to the eye, open up, and decrypt it. And it's going to tell you all the items. And look, hitbox found. Bloom's normal, multi-samples is normal, so flashy should not be an issue. And if you click check it, it's going to say cheater. Why? Because I added in the wording into the INI that enables the hitbox, the outline. So, of course, that will have to be deleted. But it matches every single picture with every single thing as it goes along to make sure that no one is trying to toggle or switch out files or anything like that. And again, this is random. So that log gets sent out and we can check it real quick. And that's how all the files work, and you can exit out. Once you exit out, you're fine. And that's pretty much it on how to use GameWatcher. So let's keep tribes clean. If you find a workaround or if you see a way to bypass it, please email me so that we can keep it clean and see who really has skills, not who can allow the computer to do the skills for them. So thank you again.